Elder daycare, a novel idea. Okay, we all know how hectic life is for people nowadays. We have jobs, kids, social lives, and other things that keep us busy. People have been questioning for years the ethical argument regarding putting elderly people into nursing homes. Some people think that putting the elderly in places where they can be properly cared for is right, while others think that the abandonment of an elderly person's family just because of the complications is wrong. But we're not here to discuss that question. You are here, my friend, to learn about elder daycare. You should see elder daycare as an acceptable compromise between the two sides of the nursing home argument. After all, your parents took care of you, so you should share some responsibility in taking care of them. This responsibility is misinterpreted by some Americans to be purely financial, when it is not. Trust us to try the solution we have for every problem, throw money at it. No, caring for the elderly entails an emotional responsibility to the people who took care of you when you could not take care of yourself. Elder daycare shows the possibility that you can take care of the elderly while living a normal hectic lifestyle. With elder daycare, you need not worry about your elderly getting the proper care that they need with the love of your family. Nursing homes can be such sad places. Everyone wants to stay with her family. You can be sure that, no matter how much she denies it, your elderly wants to stay with your family. However, elderly people do not also want to be a burden. You are their family, after all, and they do not wish for you to suffer because of them. They do, however, want to feel loved. With elder daycare, you can give them love and care. Having the services of an elder daycare means that you need not send your elderly to a nursing home. You can drop them off and then pick them up again. This would give your elderly time to reminisce among their colleagues and have their social lives while you go about your activities. You can be sure that they will be thankful for you introducing them to the concept of elder daycare. With an elder daycare, your interactions are not limited by the visiting hours. After all, your elderly will still live with you, in your home. Elder daycare is a novel idea because it actually reconciles the American way of living with the American way of family. With the passing of the years, the American dream has overtaken the American sense of heritage. The word family has been scoffed and the word elderly has been attached to the word burden. We need to take the image of a family-based America back, and we need to do it without upsetting the American way of business. So far, elder daycare has provided the best solution to do this. Right now, the business of elder daycare is still in its infancy. Only a few people operate these elder daycare services, and most of those people are ordinary individuals who have realized the advantages this type of business offers. We live in a world where compromise is very important. And since elder daycare provides a great compromise to the betterment of the American way of living, why not take advantage of it?
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.